Hello, I'm Chanel Gabriel, representing Proximity Health Solutions. I'm also a past lupus clinical trial participant.
And I'm Savine DaCosta, representing Biogen. We are honored to be a finalist. Engaging underrepresented populations is often seen as costly and time-consuming, but does it have to be? Biogen partnered with Proximity Health Solutions to create accessible programs empowering lupus patients to make informed healthcare and clinical trial decisions. And we launched Better Together.
Better Together Sharing Our Lupus Stories is a bi weekly educational, non commercial webinar series, enabling lupus patients the opportunity to share their stories, helping other patients live their best lives. Airing on blackdoctor.org's Facebook Live platform and hosted by a lupus advocate and a distinguished rheumatologist, each episode focused on a different topic, providing in depth information from subject matter experts.
I mean, the most important thing is that, these drugs are going to continue to be made. They're going to continue to come out. But we won't know how they're going to impact people because we didn't show up to be a part of the study.
There was a point when I was in chemotherapy and I had to shave my head. I was completely bald. And at first I was self-conscious about that. But then I said, you know what? This is me now. This is not always going to be me.
In my culture, you gotta be strong. And I was like, I'm not strong right now. It was good to have a safe space to talk and open up about it and not feel like that someone will take advantage of me because I'm suffering with this disease.
Each episode also featured a segment called Spotlight on Research, presented by a principal investigator explaining aspects of clinical trials.
Clinical trials are conducted in a series of steps called phases, and each phase has a different purpose that helps researchers to answer different questions.
Better Together has been a major success. Average viewership per episode grew from 18,000 in season 1 to 57,000 in season 5, surpassing 1 million cumulative views. BlackDoctor.org saw a 97.4% increase in its lupus patient database. The Biogen QR code generated over 750 scans, and we successfully met inclusion goals for 2 lupus studies.
What makes this series so unique is its reach, scalability, and capacity to help patients understand their disease, the benefits of clinical trials, while actively involving local investigators.
Better Together focused on genuine patient engagement and built a trusting community. Let's close this presentation the same way we close each episode, with the spoken word.
The world of engagement will see a difference when each of us bring our hands and hearts to do something different. When we widen our scope to bring patients this hope that a diagnosis doesn't define them, that numbers aren't the only thing measured. This is a celebration of the variation of spectacular endeavors, knowing we are all working to make patient engagement, patient care better together.